for Education went on an adventure to the nature preserve and botanical garden, Los Aguacos, 15 minutes away from Villa de Leyva in Boyaca, Colombia. Its owner, Marta Nieto, has structured different activities within it. Walking along the main path, you'll be learning about biology, environmental restoration, and the main characters of this reserve. Ferns. This place is mainly focused on research activities, but if you are traveling with a small group and wish to learn something new, you are more than welcome here. There are several stations where you'll learn about the importance of water, trees, recycling, and of course, ferns. Los Aguacos extension is almost 4 hectares, and 98% of it was restored by Marta herself. With some help, of course. Restoration activities started since 2011. There's even a stream that acts as a natural boundary of the reserve. And there's Igor, Marta's dog, who's always willing to accompany you on your walk. Once you reach the vivarium, you'll find a lot of different animals living together in the same space. I mean, a lot of animals. You will find different types of plants, different fern species, flowers like orchids, animals like dogs, cats, turkeys, peacocks. What else can you wish for? So, come and visit Los Aguacos and support Light for Education. We will keep spreading sustainable practices and projects in the region.